To do this trend, you need to have Capcut and a VPN if you are from India, which you need to connect before doing the further process. Now click on the link given below in the description named as Use Template in Capcut. After clicking the link, you will be automatically switched to Capcut application. Now click on Use Template and add the required number of photos and videos according to the template. After adding all photos or videos, click on Preview and then check your video. After checking your video, click on Export and Save to Gallery. And now you're ready to share on TikTok or Instagram Reels.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.